Hey, welcome to Woodcrest Villa by Tandem Living. We're here in the Hummingbird Dining Room. Since you were here last, we did tile casework in the pizza oven in the cafe. We've started finished painting here also, and we started working on ceilings. All of our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing is all roughed in, just waiting for finishes. In the corridors, we got painting done, ceilings are done, we got most of the light fixtures in, and we're just waiting on carpet. Let's jump to our electrical contractor, D&T Electric. Cayden's going to update us with what he's doing today. Hey Cayden, what are you up to today?
Today we are finishing the exit signs on floor 1. We are going to work on putting new lighting in this area and retrofitting the soffits and putting ceiling tile in the dining room.
And where do you think you'll be at in a month or so?
We are hoping to be putting in the B1 light fixtures, the linears in the metal ceiling.
Next time you come back in a month or so, we'll be pretty much wrapped up here. See you next time.